Meaning of direct taxation.
Direct taxation.
Direct taxation.
Direct taxation.
Direct taxation. Direct taxation refers to a type of tax that is levied and collected directly from individuals or entities who are found to be subject to it. This can include taxes on income, property, or wealth. Direct taxation has the potential to generate significant revenue for governments, but can also be controversial due to its potential impact on personal finances. The result of direct taxation is an increase in government revenue, which can then be used to fund various public goods and services such as infrastructure, healthcare, education, and social welfare programs.